pouring across again. Now, just a quick fix for those who are seeing walls like this in their homes or business places. This is just a quick fix, right? Now, the first thing you'll do is you get a bucket of water. So I have my bucket of water right here with a nice little rag in it. Right, that's step one. Step two, some oil. Right, now you just need a little, about less for water like this. You'd need about a quarter cup of oil in it. Right, and once you do that, then we can wipe away. Bring your rod, right? And once again, you have a clean surface just as it was originally. Now, this is mostly carbon deposits, right? When you have an enclosed space and it's AC'd, the air that you breathe out, it cannot escape the building because the building is closed, right? So the carbon that you breathe out, it traps itself on the wall, right? So a little oil in your water and your wall is brand new.